Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to add age guidelines to your Roblox game. So first you need to go to this Create tab at the top of your page. So you just need to go to the creations in the left menu right here, and it will show you all the creations you have done. So in order to add the age guidelines, you need to click on one of the games, and here in the left menu section you will see several options. You just need to click on audience and go to maturity and compliance. Here you will see a list of questionnaire. You just need to click on the start button and follow all the on-screen instructions, like it will ask you some questions and you just need to answer them if it's a yes or a no. So just complete these and click on save and continue. So do this for the rest of the questions, just like that. And now you can have your is guidelines to your game. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.